Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: device charged, OS updated, and any custom color profiles backed up. Next, go straight into Settings, open Display, and then the Color or Accessibility section. Once there, choose the built-in color filter labeled Grayscale or Color Correction and toggle it on. You do this because the filter directly remaps pixels to neutral tones, eliminating colored output at the system level. Once enabled, the screen will immediately show the change, so you can verify it visually. Once the grayscale filter is active, refine why it looks right. Adjust the color temperature or white balance to remove residual warm or cool casts. Use a calibrated ICC profile or a built-in preset when available, because profiles remap RGB to neutralize tint more accurately. Test with neutral gray images and full spectrum photos while tuning contrast and brightness so shadows and highlights remain natural. Make small, iterative changes. They're easier to evaluate than large jumps, and they prevent loss of detail in dark or bright areas. To finish, save or export any custom profile and reboot so changes persist across sessions and apps. Verify the result by opening multiple types of content, photos, videos, web pages, to ensure the grayscale is consistent. If you still see color in specific apps, make sure those apps don't override system color management. If problems occur, reset the display driver or remove and reinstall the color profile. This clears driver cache and resolves conflicts. If that fails, revert to the original profile and try a different calibration routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.